Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video, we will cover grades of concrete. Grades of concrete, mix ratios, and amount of water or quantity of water that is required to design that mix. So, our first question is different grades of concrete. Different grades of concrete. What are different grades of concrete? There are number of grades of concrete where M5 is the minimum grade of concrete, and then M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, and so on. The other grades like 30, 35 and other grades come under high strength grades, high strength concrete. So here I will explain what is M and what is 5. Here M is basically mix. What mix of what? Mix of cement, sand and aggregate. And what is 5? 5 is basically a number that describes the characteristic strength, characteristic compressive strength of concrete after 28 days. So when you make a sample of concrete in the lab and then you cure it for 28 days and then you take it to the lab and perform in the direct compression testing machine, and then you get the value. So this is 5. This number shows that compressive strength of concrete after 28 days that was performed in the lab. So 5, what actually 5 means? 5 is in M5, 5 is strength after 28 days, and this value represents the number of compressive strength, which means 5 megapascal or 5 Newton per millimeter square. So similarly other grades, M75. Here what is M? M is mix of cement, sand and aggregate. Cement, sand and aggregate. While 7.5 is 7.5 megapascal compressive strength after 28 days. Similarly for M10, 10 is 10 megapascal after 28 days, and M15 is 15 megapascal. For M20 it is 20 megapascal. For M30 it is 30 megapascal. For M25 it is 25 megapascal after 28 days. And here one thing is to remember, we encounter in the field sometimes C25 and M25. What does that mean? I will explain these questions in the end of this video, so please watch the video full to get these answers. So I will write these in a table. Here I write grade and here strength after 28 days. M5 5 megapascal, M7.5 it will be 7.5 megapascal. M10 it will be 10 megapascal. M15 it will be 15 megapascal, and for M20 it will be 20 megapascal, and for M25 it will be 25 megapascal. So now let's move to our another second question, which is mix ratios. What are mix ratios? How? Now in this part we cover our second question. What was our second question? It was mix ratios. It was about mix ratios. Mix ratios of concrete. So before this we have learned that there are different grades of concrete, which are M5, M7.5, and what does they represent, what M represents, what 7.5 represents. Now we will cover mix ratios. What are their mix ratios? That how much cement is required for M5, and how much sand and how much aggregate. What are their ratios? So here I will write here grade of concrete, and here I will write C, S and A, which represents C for cement, S for sand, A for aggregate, their ratios. So for M5 it is 1:5:10. For M7.5 it is 1:4:8. What is this? 1 is cement, 5 is sand, 10 is aggregate, by either by weight or by volume. Similarly for M10 this ratio is 1:3:6. 1 cement, 3 sand, 6 aggregate. Similarly for M15 it is 1:2:4. 1 cement, 2 sand, 4 aggregate. Similarly for M20 it is 1:1.5:3. Similarly for M25 it is 1:1:2. So these are general grades of concrete. So now we will see just in front of them I write here their compressive strength of 28 days. 28 days compressive strength. For M5 compressive strength is 5 megapascal. For M7.5 it is 7.5 megapascal. For M10 it is 10 megapascal. For M15 it is 15 megapascal. For M20 it is 20 megapascal. For M25 it is 25 megapascal. So now we have other grades of concrete which are called standard grades of concrete. What they are called? Standard grades. They are of high strength, which starts from M25 basically. Here I write M30, M35, M40, M45, similarly up to M70. So what are their CSA ratios? Cement, sand and aggregate. Their cement, sand and aggregate ratios are defined by designer. the designer of the designer that designs the a structure, he proposes their water cement ratio and their mix ratio. So alright, but it is sure and it is known that their compressive strength after 28 days will be 30 megapascal. Similarly, will be 35 megapascal and 40 megapascal. Similarly, up to 70 megapascal. So here I will write grades, their compressive strength in megapascal and in psi. That will be 28 days their compressive strength. So here I mention grade, here I mention their strength in megapascal, and here I will mention in psi what their strength. So here I mention their grades as M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25. So here I mention their compressive strength in megapascal, which is 5 megapascal, 7.5 megapascal. Remember, it is 28 days compressive strength that is performed in lab. 10 megapascal, 15 megapascal, 20 megapascal, 25 megapascal. And their compressive strength in psi, pound per square inch. It is for M5 grade, it is 720 psi. For M7.5, it is 1087. For M10, it is 1450. For M15, it is 2175. For M20, it is 2900. For M25 grade, it is 3625 pound per square inch. रोक दे क्या है तो बंद ही दरमियान ही ब्रेक आ गई सारी अच्छा so friends, what was our next question? Our next question was about the quantity of water, that how much amount of water is required for these grades. Here I mention grade, here I mention quantity of water in liters. The amount of water that is required for these grades is in liters, remember. So what are our grades? Grades are M5, M10, in between there was M7.5 where I remember it after M10. The next one is M15, M20. So the amount of water, how much amount of water is required for these grades? For M5 it is 60 liters. 60 liter amount of water is required to make M5 grade concrete. That will give 28 day strength of 5 megapascal. And then M10, for M10 it is 34 liters. For M7.5 it is 45 liters. For M15 it is 32 liters. For M20 it is 30 liters. So remember, these are not only grades, there are many grades. Those ahead from M20 there is M25, M30, M35 and so on M70. M70 is the highest grade of concrete, which is used in the field. So its compressive strength is 28-day compressive strength is 70 megapascal, or it is 1 lakh, almost 1 lakh. 1 lakh, it is almost 10,000 psi. It's almost 10,000 psi. So friends, this is today video. I hope you have got these all concepts. So in next video I will cover what is different between C grades and M grades of concrete. C grades and M grades. A little bit I tell you in this video. C is for cylindrical and M is for cubical. And remember, always cubical strength is always greater than cylindrical. Please comment this question in the answer of this question in the comment section. So please, if you like this video, subscribe the channel and then like this video, share this video. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.